In this video, we'll learn how to sort data by date in Excel. First, make sure your date cells are properly formatted as date. Select Date Cells, right-click, choose Format Cells, and select Date from the list. Now, select your entire data range, including the headers. Go to the Data tab and click on Sort. In the Sort window, choose Date of Birth in the Sort By drop-down. Then choose Cell Values and under Order, select Oldest to Newest. Click OK and your data will be sorted perfectly. Sometimes you may notice that the Order option only shows A to Z. This means Excel hasn't recognized your dates correctly. To fix this, select the Date column, go to Data, then click Text to Columns. Click Next, then Next again. Choose Date and click Finish. Now Excel will recognize your dates properly. Let's now sort them from newest to oldest. Again, go to Data Sort, and this time select Newest to Oldest in the Order option. That's it. Your data is now sorted by date correctly. Thanks for watching.